eggs are the critical emulsifier. Without them, the oil would separate. The factory treats these eggs with...
These acids give the mayonnaise its tang and preserve the mixture of oil. The factory stores them in climate-controlled rooms.
A scientist takes a sample of the incoming oil. She tests it for clarity and oxidation. The liquid gold is approved.
The pasteurized liquid eggs are pumped into the premix. Mayonnaise run saku. Wogashve minutes to raise.
This is the critical moment. The vegetable oil is injected into the tank very slowly through high-pressure nozzles.
A sensor measures the thickness of the mayonnaise as it flows through the pipe. If it is too thin, more oil is needed. A pH meter checks the acidity. The mayonnaise must be acidic enough to prevent bacterial growth in the oil.
Empty glass or plastic jars are dumped into a hopper. A machine stands them upright. They rattle along the conveyor, waiting for the mayonnaise.
The empty jars pass under an ionized air blast. This removes any dust before the mayonnaise is
Before capping, a jet of nitrogen blows oxygen out of the jar headspace. Oxygen makes the oil in the mayonnaise.
A foil seal is placed over the rim. An induction machine heats the foil, bonding it to the jar.
The sealed jars pass through a water spray. This washes off any sticky mayonnaise or oil that might have dripped on the outside. A laser etches the best by date onto the lid. It tracks when the oil and eggs were processed.
The jars pass through an X-ray machine. It checks for glass or metal fragments in the mayonnaise. A factory operator.
If a jar is light on mayonnaise, a compressed air jet blasts it off the line. The factory
spins on a table. Plastic film wraps it tight to secure the mayonnaise load.
Production stops. The clean-in-place system pumps hot water and detergent through the pipes. It washes away the oil and man residue. Hygiene is critical in the factory. Eggshells are collected for compost. Waste oil is separated for recycling. The factory tries to minimize the environmental impact of making mayonnaise.
What do you think of the consistency? It's perfect. The flavor profile is exactly what we wanted for the new blend.
Oil, eggs,
A spoon scoops into the white jar. The mayonnaise is thick and glossy. It holds its shape. The knife spreads mayonnaise on bread. It glides smoothly. The oil content adds richness to the sandwich. The factory product is a staple. The mayonnaise is mixed with herbs and garlic. It becomes a dip. The versatile nature of the oil emulsion creates
Fat molecules from the oil carry flavor to the tongue. Mayonnaise is a flavor delivery system. The factory science is explained.
Back at the factory, we see the jars are made from recycled plastic leaf. The mayonnaise industry is trying to be greener while processing oil. The sun sets. The factory lights stay on. Production continues. The world needs more.
A burger is topped with mayonnaise. It melts slightly from the heat. The oil separates just a bit. Delicious. The factory product in action.